Sri Lankan President Anura Kumara Disanayak leftist coalition has achieved landslide victory in the snap election, delivering the Marxist-leaning leader a powerful mandate to his punishing austerity measures in the crisis-stricken nation. With most of the ballots counted on Friday, Disanayak's National People's Power was far ahead of the opposition alliance Samagi Jano Bala Wagia with 62% of the vote and majority of seats. According to the party's results from the country's election commission, the NPP had won 137 seats in the 225 members parliament and was leading in all but one of 22 electoral districts as of 11:30 am local time, putting it on track to secure an overwhelming victory majority.
নগদের সর্বোচ্চ বার 167 টাকা রিচার্জে পাবেন 1 লাখ টাকা পুরস্কার। আরও আছে প্রতি সপ্তাহে পুরস্কার ও ক্যাশব্যাক।